Welcome children to the video lectures of Social Science Standard 10. This is the fourth video lecture of chapter number 10, India Agriculture. Today we are going to study about hot beverages. Okay, beverages are the drinks that we take. Tea. Tea is a plant of tropical and temperate zone. Tea leaf is tender, sprouted, are processed and is powdered, and small leaves are used in drink. See, they are powdered and small leaves are used in drink. India produces maximum tea after China. So India is second number in the production of the tea. Sri Lanka, China and India are leading tea exporters. What are the requirements? Then slopy lands where the water easily flows down. Okay, good iron content, 20 to 30 degrees Celsius centigrade temperature and about 200 centimeters of rainfall coming in the form of showers throughout the year are favorable conditions. So you can see here slopy land, okay, but the water should not stay. Second, good iron content should be there into the land. Third, 20 to 30 degree temperature should be there and about 200 centimeters of rainfall are needed. Tea is grown more in Assam, West Bengal, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. Assam and West Bengal produce about 75% of the tea of the nation. So you can see these two nations are the leading producers of the tea into the whole India. The tea leaves are very skillfully plucked from the plant and they need great mastery into it. Mostly ladies are equipped for plucking up the leaves. Next is coffee. Coffee is reared over the slopes of mountain in shades of the large trees. It doesn't need direct sunlight, so they are grown into shades of large tree in such a way that no direct sunlight falls on the coffee leaves. The coffee crops needs 150 to 200 centimeters rainfall and 15 to 28 degrees Celsius temperature in slopy mountain land. Coffee is grown in abundance in Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Okay, so these are some of the places where coffee is grown into great abundance, right? Coorg area of Karnataka is a well-known region for coffee production. Coorg is one of the leading producers of coffee in India. Coffee seeds are extracted out of nuts, see, grinded, and they are used as drink. Okay. Next is cocoa. Cocoa is prepared out of seeds of cocoa fruit. Cocoa is a beverage. Okay. Chocolate is prepared from cocoa. It requires hot and humid climate and excessive rainfall. African countries are major producers. See, African countries are major producers of this kind of beverage. Cocoa is produced in increase in Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu states in India. Next topic that we are studying is cash crops. See, cash crops, cotton is the main. Cotton is a kharif crop. Cotton holds an important place as a cash crop in Gujarat and in India. At world level, India is the second place in production. See, India is second in the production of the cotton crop. Usage and exports of the cotton. Cotton without seeds is obtained from cotton plant. See, cotton without seeds is obtained from cotton plant. Cotton is known as white gold in India. Beside the cotton seed oil, see, even the oil extracted out of its seeds is used to prepare edible oil, and its seeds for oil king are used for animal food. Now, what is the requirement of the cotton crop? Then black lava soil which can retain humidity for longer time, soil with plenty of mineral content, hot and humid climate, 20 to 35 degrees Celsius temperature and 30 to 70 centimeters of rainfall are needed. So these are the favorable conditions for growing cotton. The growing season of cotton is about 6 to 8 months. frost damage. Now see, frost damages the cotton crop. Now what is frost? Basically frost means actually when there is dew in the morning, okay, and there is dew freezes up, so that is known as frost. So it damages the cotton crop. In India, major cotton producing states are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Odisha. So these are some of the leading producer states of cotton. As the farmers of Gujarat have accepted BT cotton seeds, Gujarat stands first in India in area sown, productivity and total production of quality of cotton. Cotton is grown more in Surendranagar, Rajkot, Vadodara, Ahmedabad, Sabarkantha, Mehsana, Botad, Bharuch, Kheda, Surat, Panchmahal, Amreli, Bhavnagar, Patan, Junagadh and Jamnagar district. So you can see that it is mostly grown into all districts of Gujarat. In this particular map you can see about jute, sugarcane and cotton. Okay. Now we are going to study about sugarcane. Now we are going to study about sugarcane. Sugarcane is a major crop in India. Maximum sugarcane is sown in India in the world. In its production, India ranks second after Brazil. Okay, so Brazil is the first country in the production of sugarcane. Sugar, gourd, khandisari and ethanol are produced out of sugarcane. Now what are the requirements? Then black fertile alluvial soil, hot and humid climate, 21 to 27 degrees temperature, 75 to 100 centimeters rainfall are necessary for sugarcane. Uttar Pradesh is the top in area sown. Yes, Uttar Pradesh produces the largest amount of sugar in India. But Maharashtra leads in the production. See, Maharashtra also leads in the production. South Gujarat and Saurashtra produces more sugarcane in Gujarat. Next is jute. Jute. India produces maximum amount of jute in the world. The jute fiber is called golden fiber. Jute cloth, gunny bag, mattresses, ropes, bags, footwear, handicraft item, etc. are made from jute. India has a strong competition from Bangladesh with regards to cheap jute labor in the industry. Jute requires fertile soil of delta region. Delta region is the region, basically triangular shape region, which is created in the middle of the flowing river. When the river is flowing, okay, the triangular shape landform which is created is known as delta. Okay, so delta region, fertile soil of delta region is needed, where new sediments is deposited every year. Okay, when there will be flood into these rivers, right, new sediments will be deposited every year here, and this will be very good for the production of the jute. Hot and humid climate and 30 to 40 degree temperature is needed. Okay, you can see the crops of jute and the production process. More than 100 centimeters of rainfall is needed. Right, jute is grown more in Ganga Delta in West Bengal, Assam, Bihar, Odisha and Uttar Pradesh. Next is tobacco. Tobacco is a kharif crop. Sandy soil, 20 degrees temperature, 100 centimeter rainfall are suitable for cultivation of tobacco. Soil is a determining factor. Soil is a very important factor for tobacco cultivation. Major 4 countries in the world which grow and export tobacco are China, Brazil, India and USA. Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka are major states producing tobacco in India. The Charotar region of Kheda and Anand district, Mehsana, Vadodara, Panchmahal grow more tobacco. Charotar is very famous for its tobacco. About 80% of BD, tobacco of India, is produced in Gujarat. Tobacco is used in making gutka, bidi, cigarette, snuff, etc. Tobacco consumption is harmful for health. Again, you should not consume tobacco. Sikkim is the first state to ban tobacco and gutka. Okay, recently only Sikkim banned tobacco and gutka. Next is rubber. Rubber is prepared out of milk oozing out of the latex trees. Okay, latex trees, cuts are made into latex trees, and the sap which comes out of it, the liquid which comes out of it, is collected and processed into rubber. Acetic acid is mixed with the milk collected from the rubber plants. Then it is heated on low temperature to obtain rubber. It is used in many industrial products like tire, tubes, etc. Rubber plantation is carried out in the regions of hot and humid climate. See, it is carried out in such places where the climate is hot and humid. Malaysia ranks first in the world in rubber production. Malaysia is a small country, but it ranks first in the world of rubber production. In India, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Assam, Tripura are rubber producing states. Now we are going to study about condiments and spices. Gujarat ranks first in the production of cumin seeds, fennel seeds, and isabgol in the world. Besides this, India leads in the production of export of dry coriander. Okay, dry coriander is dhanajiru, what we call fenugreek, methi, mustard, rye, suwa, and ajwain. So it is also one of the leading producers in the spices. India contributes about 35% of the total world production of condiments. India produces a large chunk, a very big piece in the total production of the world. India, black pepper, cinnamon, clove, etc. high demand in the countries and the world. Ashwagandha, tulsi, kariyatu, then mindiavadi, white muesli, okay, madhunashikni, ashok, galmalo, lemon pepper, galo, aloe vera, etc. are included in the medicinal plant also. Mint, menthol, palmorasa, lemongrass, etc. are included in flavoring crops. So it is used. Spices are not only used into food but also are used into various other industries too. Next is fruits and vegetables. In fruit production, India ranks second after China. Fruits like banana, mango, apple, grapes, naspati, orange, etc. are grown in India. Bananas are grown in Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Apples are grown in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh. And grapes are produced in Uttarakhand, Maharashtra, Himachal, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. As grape production is less in demand, it is imported from Afghanistan, Pakistan and Australia. Okay, so we import grapes from Afghanistan, Pakistan and Australia. Besides, various vegetables are also grown. Flowers like churi, rose, mogra, golgota, etc. are also cultivated. Thus, various crops are grown into India. Things to know. See, with the increasing cultivation of crops, there is a shortage of grass. As crops are grown more, the grass will be less. Various types of grass like fodder grass, Dhrafa, that is Gujarat Dhrafa 1, there are scientific name of it, Anjan, bush yellow Anjan, Marker, Gujarat Marker grass 1, Shanai, that is Gujarat Shanaya 1, and Chinjuo, Daman, Hemanta, and Klataria are grown into Gujarat. These are different kind of grass that are grown into Gujarat. Generally, all type of grass should be harvested in October after 4 months of sowing them. Okay, so with this we keep into this particular video lecture.